And the debate, who has won? Well, Harris has won. The loser, Trump. Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And this one you are interested, the 4 stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles, and the second one is a 4-star Sudoku number 9260. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, we have a 1 2, we have 1 3, 2 4s, 3 5s, 4 6s, all right, 4 7s, all right, 3 8s and 3 9s. So the 6s and the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 6? Well, yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. We have all the 6s, yes, and all the 6s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 6. How about the 7 then? 7. Here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Well, how about need a 4 here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for 5 should be there. Need an 8 here, need an 8 there. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 9. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this first column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 9. Need a 9. Need a 9 here. Alright. Let me see. Come on. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there, yeah. In this row, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the 1 in this row could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. That means 1 digit left in this row for number, I believe, the 2. Yeah, we need a 2 in this row. 2 should be here. Then what about these 2 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And we have a pair, the 2 and the 3 in this row. The 2 and the 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places left with the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4, 4. Come on. Need a 9 here. Yeah. I need a 5 here. But the 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2. Out here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a pair, I believe. No. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Well, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. 5, 5, 5, 5. Come on. 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on last column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4.
Terug naar huis, maar dan ben ik werk vanmiddag thuis. Dus ja.
Where's the opening? 9, 7. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 here or there. 2, 9, 1. Well, need a 5 here. Yeah. In this last column, we need a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. Another 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. Only place left with 5, it should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 8, 2, 3. 7. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 2 here also. 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 9, 9. 9, 9. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 5. 5, 5. 2. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Oh, I'm stuck. Need a 7. We have a pair again, I believe. No. Not the pair. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 1. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1 and 7. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, there are only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left. The 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7, 8, 8, 9, 5, 8, 3, 8, 8, 8. Come on. Thinking. 2, 9, 8, no 8 here. 8, 8. Do we have all the 9s? Nope. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5. I should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. Can I count the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Well, 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column now only place level 1, shoot there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column now only place level 2, should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So the 4 and the 8 are left in this big square. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column now only place level 4, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1, 3, 3, and I need an 8 here, 3 and 8, 2 and a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, the 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only place level 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, no, 3 missing numbers here. Correction, 1 box left in the last column, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and 9, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there, 17 minutes, well. 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. I'm faster than 20 minutes. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.